feast in Deuteronomy 16:16. And the Strong's number is H, or Hebrew, stands for Hebrew, 2282. And this Hebrew word is Hog, not hog, but Hog. That's what they have there. So, if you look at it, it says festival, feast, festival, gathering, pilgrim feast, feast, festival, sacrifice. But let's look at this. Let's look at the Strong's definition. A festival or victim, therefore, it says solemn feast day. And that's what it is. It's a solemn feast day. In the law, when you go back and read Deuteronomy, the 16th chapter, it tell you in the morning, everybody's to return to their tent. Our modern day tent would be our house where we live at, our houses or apartment or wherever you stay. All right. But hey, Exodus the 12th chapter, it tells us how to keep the Passover. All right, and in that, the details of keeping the Passover, the Feast of Unleavened Bread, same thing. I keep reiterating that. It doesn't talk about being merry. Now, be merry and celebrate in the sense of the New Speak definition or definition. Okay, when you hear celebration, you think it's partying and dancing and singing. Okay, it says solemn feast day, sacrifice, solemnity. So the whole feast is a solemn feast day. All right, now let's deal with the word festival, because they see festival and let's be festive.